Let's go check out Riverside Gardens in Leo, Indiana, and I'll tell you what to do and where to go. Riverside Gardens is an amazing park just northeast of Fort Wayne, Indiana. They have a splash pad, sand volleyball courts, a really cool river to play in, and all kinds of fun other things to do. It's located at 14701 Schwartz Road on the corner of Schwartz and Grable Road. They have a lot of picnic tables that are covered for shade, and they have this awesome part of the park that is full of musical instruments that you can play. They have probably 5 or 6 different instruments you can play, all with attached drumsticks and mallets. There is a drum set, there's a xylophone, there's all different kinds of really fun things. There's also a swing set complete with a swing for disabled people and small children. They also have a sand volleyball court. You do need to bring your own volleyball. And part of the splash pad is actually this little river. The water from the runoff from the splash pad comes down into this little rocky creek bed that you can walk around in. It does make me a little nervous when I take little kids here because I feel like if they slipped and fell, they could get hurt falling on these rocks. But the water doesn't get much more than a few inches deep, so it's great for new walkers and crawlers as well. They do have a few pavilions that are available and a couple gazebos as well. They also have amazing trails and sidewalks that you can walk around the park on. And the splash pad actually opens at 9 a.m. and closes at 9 p.m. every day and is open from Memorial to Labor Day. There's all different kinds of water toys that they can play with, including a dump bucket that my kids love the most. We just have a really great time when we go there. I hope that you can check out Riverside Gardens and have a good time there too. And as always, I hope that you remember to choose joy and take all of the pictures.